On the top of the unit, remove the 2 screws. I warn you, the Samsung imaging unit could be difficult to disassembly and reassembly. Remove the charge roller assembly. It has the charge roller and a sponge roller. On the side of the unit, remove the 3 screws. Remove the side cover with the chip. The red square is the chip. The chip will shut down the drum unit after a certain number of prints. Remove the cables. Unhook the chip. Detach the connector. On the other side, remove the 2 screws. Remove the other side cover. Remove this spring. Remove the other spring. Separate the drum section from the toner section. Remove these 2 gears. Here there is a metal ring. Using a flat screwdriver, remove it. This is the metal ring. Remove this metal bushing. Bend the side of the unit slightly, and remove the drum. Remove the metal shaft of the drum. If you want to remove the cleaning blade, remove the 2 screws. You can now remove the wiper blade. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade, this plastic strip. The waste toner is moved inside the toner cartridge. If you want to disassembly and clean the toner section, remove the 2 screws. On the other side, remove the 2 screws. Remove the cover. Take note of the position of the gears. Remove the gears. Remove this screw. Remove the metal panel. This is the toner roller, with its bushings. To remove the side panel, remove this screw. Here there is a hook. Detach the wire, and remove the side cover. Remove the toner roller. You can clean it with a soft cloth and water. In the most desperate cases, isopropyl alcohol can be used. You can use this image as reference, in case you miss some parts. Using a cotton swab, clean the doctor blade so there is no evidence of buildup along the edge. Remove all old toner if it is too old or damp. Clean the charge roller with water. Reassemble the unit. The work is done.